Well, Coxie, you've heard the saying, if it gets too hot, get out of the kitchen. However, in our case, I know where we can find some really cool kitchens. Project kitchens have got a complete range, but I wonder if they have something that suits our limited space.
It's really neat, isn't it?
Yeah, it's really cool stuff, actually.
Are you after a new kitchen?
I am. I need something for an apartment, so it needs to be a sort of a smaller kitchen.
Yeah. Got a great range of product.
Actually, this is the one here that caught my eye. Can I get this with the high gloss kitchen?
Yes, you can.
Brilliant. Can you put it together too, or is that something I have to do?
Well, we can do both, but it's actually pretty easy to put together yourself.
Really?
Yeah, it is.
Okay, I'm going to put this together myself. My kitchen has arrived from Project Kitchens. It's flat packed, it comes in a box. Apparently it's so easy anyone can do it, so I'm going to have a crack at it. Now this product is a finished product, so a good tip, put down a soft blanket, something like that, because it's all ready to go once you take it out of the box. You don't want to scratch anything. The instructions.
Flat pack construction is great if you're handy with a screwdriver or posi drive. The thing to remember is to give yourself plenty of room. Take your time and read the instructions carefully. Otherwise, you might end up with an upside-down kitchen.
It's a bit like a jigsaw puzzle, really, isn't it?
Local council consent may be needed for a kitchen rebuild, particularly if you are installing new water, power or drainage connections. But if you are using existing plumbing, no consent should be required. Regardless, you should check in with your local council.
And there you go, a kitchen cabinet, built by me. All right, next one.
Installation takes up time too. If they're handy, give it to someone else to do. Thanks, Coxie. And don't forget to test every element as you go. Join us next time as all the parts